108 Gup, I'm behind it here on Avenue A. She still hadn't pulled over yet. Pull the car over.
She just turned around me. Back off. Where you at, Morrison?
Hey, you just getting yourself in a lot more trouble is all you're doing.
He stopped. I made him stop. Pull in here so you're not blocking the roadway.
All right, what's up?
I just want to know what in the hell's going on.
Yo, I don't goddamn know. You tell me.
Well, they're trying to repossess your car.
What's up, Tor?
Because they say you didn't pay for it, apparently.
Really?
Yeah. Pull up here so we're not in the middle of the road. Just pull up behind me.
Hell. They want, they can come get it, hell.
Well, they're trying to.
Get them to something,
Well,
hell.
let me...
Let it be on them, hell. I don't know. Everybody's got a goddamn choice right now. I can't tell who is who. I don't know about a goddamn place.
Well, don't try to...
So I said, fuck them and come get my car. I don't know.
Okay.
Put it down, ma'am. Put it down. No, ma'am.
Put the knife down.
Unlock the door. Drop the knife now. Drop it. All right, put it down. Put it down.
Don't kill my child. Oh, God, have mercy. Y'all ain't shooting. Y'all can taser.
Unlock the door.
What y'all got to taser?
Drop the knife now. Drop it.
Put the knife down!
Don't kill my child. Oh, God, have mercy. Y'all ain't shooting. Y'all can taser. Y'all can taser. Y'all ain't shooting.
Suspect's down. She got a taser. We did taser.
Who shot?
She came at me with a knife. What the hell did you expect me to do?
Somebody call that.
Cover me. Cover me.
Y'all ain't killed the child.
All right, okay, listen to me. All right? Where's the knife at? Left and right here. I want to get you help, okay?
It's in that hand right there.
Kick it out of the way.
Check for other wounds. All right, got one there.
It's okay, honey.
All right. Where's this blood coming from? Do we know?